Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes and today we have this for sale. Something really cool. First one we've had in, it's a Yamaha Tracer 9 GT, but this one is the AMT model, which basically means automatic manual transmission. But this is the latest 2025 model. I'll just give it a quick fire up so you can look at these headlights, because look at it. People are definitely going to see you coming down the road with that all lit up. But really cool looking bike. You get the keyless ignition. It's the automatic manual transmission version, which basically rides as a fully automatic, but you can do the gear changes with the switchgear. This particular one being the GT, it's got the luggage on there. You get the keyless ignition, which is a really nice feature. You get the cruise control on there. You get the drive and the drive plus riding mode you can change through. Full 7-inch colour TFT display. And they're just a wicked bike. Really good. The engines are absolutely bob on. And like I say, if you want something clutchless and a little bit easier to ride, you can do. And like I say, if you still want the fun of manual gears, you've got that as well. So they're a great option. If you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.